Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Find in Google Chrome for Android. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open Chrome. So I'm going to go to the Google folder, and then Chrome. Now you're going to go to the web page that you want to find something on. Mine's automatically set to go to YouTube, so I'm just going to leave it on that. Alright, now you're going to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Now you're going to scroll down and go to Find in Page. Alright, so that opens Find. Now you're going to type in what you're looking for. I'm just going to type cat, C-A-T. Now I'm going to close the keyboard so you guys can see this a little better. As you can see, it highlights the first instance of cat, and if I scroll down, it highlights it again. And this highlights any instance of it on the entire page. To close Find, you're just going to click on the X. Alright, so that's how you use Find in Google Chrome for Android. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video.